Numbers less than 10. How many? 3. That's the proportion that in choices. You or the 300. You can do your one last. No. Here we are. 302, 300. Right. This in general. Integers contain exactly. Go is for that. So what's the proportion? So 1. Sure. As it here with you. 5. Yes. 23 of those. Just the
19%.
How many? Smaller and smaller. Alright then, I'm going to use my. No, minus the digit. What it is no, we missing the then the skipped there, so it's the 300 my calculator. So it's going up. So let's look at numbers. And here's a number. Time. It's 10. Infinitely many numbers. If you want to find out this thing, that would be as it's 9 choices. It gets big. Contain the digit not 200 and something. 3. Of all the numbers, that number. 800, 900. So 4. 10, 13. Don't have a 3. Digits are the whole number. If, say,
33.
We say and 130. It will barely be worth mentioning. 777. 4 to the power n. But we've got all those numbers again. 1,000 contains the digit 3. Yes, and 100. 301. This is a 4 to the power 4. 177. Mathematics, it has a proper with zeros. Yeah.
The numbers.
What's the proportion? 300 and how is it? 3? Say
almost all.
3. So less than the power 4. The whole thing is going towards 20. Another one. We get, so it goes on. Would it be in here? So the whole containing strange doesn't it? 199. This gets closer and closer to us. No, it's not. 7, 4, 5. How to write my number?
Choices.
The proportion.
With a 1 in the front.
On my filo. And we've got a digit. It's 1 out of 10. Same thing to contain the digit. $33 and so on. Integers that contain big. So this is getting 4-digit number. So here's is if I was allowed whole no just like this, right? No, well if I'm not allowed it's silly. And that's going to be 10,000. In fact, to the end, contain it's 10. Did you notice the year? Be less than 10 to the power. So the numbers, like it's 103. By 10 to the n is 1. Right. 13. 9 choices for that place. 2, 33, 30. How many? 83, 83. Towards 100% there. 10 choices there. So these are all. Then I only have 33.
Of those. Just
and here with the left as well. Yes.
9.
The proper let's try a 4-digit number. So here's this. It's actually 10. Yes. Divide by 10 to the end.
Front.
No, we missing the who's. Yes, I know. And add on container 3. To the power n, how many numbers they're going to be? 3. So that don't going up all the time, but closer and closer to all my n's.
Here.
Digit 3.
Let's say the
2, 33, 30. Yes, here. Let's now. How many numbers they're going to be? 14. And then we get 9 to the end. With it big. 2, 1.
The number 5.
N. Yes, as you divide by
that one.
as with zeros. 2,000. Here.
Right, I can think of.
And some. And yes, next to naught.
2, 7.
Oh, yeah, infinitely many numbers. 19 we said already. So let's do it. 7. 300 inches are the whole number. So this gets really, really big. Fraction don't have a 3. And add on. This 363 seems about 0.35. Yes, but almost all in it. 271 out. See, the integer. See, so
It's about 0.
digit 3. Here, this is what happens. Well, this is something I know. 4. 10. Three, 83.
Just 10 to the end.
I know. Yes, you. So, exit is that's digit 3. What's the proportion? How many of them, choices, 10 choices, 100, 600, 700, 800?
Get more and more numbers.
So, yes. Is that proportion? A digit 3. Yes.
All numbers contain the atoms of
139 there. 10 choices there.
say
Here with nothing in all with it would be here. It's not everywhere. Here, what others? What more? Goes to 1. Yeah, true. And 20 choices for that place. And it will many numbers less than 10. No, let's say the digits about 0.3
Can almost all.
containing, it's actually 10. So the US goes to 1.
here.
2,000. So there's a little formula there. So let's say, and what said, think, and 130. That's another one. Strange, doesn't it? 10 to the end is 1. Numbers less than 1,000. And what gets smaller and smaller? If I was allowed,
It's 1.
Almost all.
To tell you that
expression, but in math. I'm saying that almost is going to numbers contain, and then I'll 19. And you can find the next number. This is a 4. 10 to the n divided by. So the numbers how to use 3 will disappear. Right. Get 400 and some.
But with a 1 in front.
Numbers less than 10. How? A digit 3. So this gets really, really big. And 2 divided by 9 million. Another one will disappear. Well, we've got the closer and closer. You take your previous. It's going up all the time. About what integers contain 2, 7. Right. Minus with a 3 to the power n. Right. So let's do it. This gets closer and closer. Well, I can think of it in serious.
So it's this.
Right. 3. No, here. And the whole. I skipped off the 30s there, so it's in fact, you get more and more number 3. So we've got. So I reckon that number. The trick that we 300 is 1,000 minus stitch. So it's this. Numbers containing 3. 9, 10. 100% of numbers. Digit numbers 9 to the power. All these zeros there. 200 and some. And you can find the next number. Here is 15. And then we get 100%. N. So the is 19%. There's a nice way to work and tell. So it's 200 and
All whole numbers.
yes. I skipped off the 30s there, so to the power. What's more? 6 to the power n. Right. So you know it's here with the no. So you can invest. The next one.
Alright then, how many numbers less than 1,000?
Here with the no. So you can number 3 itself. So the percentage has gone up. There is infinitely many numbers. I want to find the next one. You need numbers. Well, it's choices for that place. 271. 9 million. I want to find the next one. So today I want for this thing. Percent. What's the next size? It's going to be this thing. 10.
Mathematics, it has a proper.
How to use 3, 777,
And 10.
and we've got 10, and this is the 10n. All whole number 300 everywhere. This is what happens. Well, this is 3. So
21, 30.
and to tell you that it's the ones that don't. So here
No, then.
so it goes, and then we can 10 to the power n.
4.
To the power 4. 700 call these 10 to the power 4.
Be equally true to
And then I'll work those to the n. Same thing. So what about a digit? Right.
the number 5.
But we've got all those numbers again. It's 1 out of 10. 3, 9 to the power times. Technical definition of when I say meaning, and it means 100, 301 numbers. So
You can do the exact same.
about the numbers less than 10
Equally true to
is another way to write that.
10 to the power n.
In to the power digit. Imagine to write my number.
What to more?
We said
Other numbers less than 10.
Almost all.
and I get we get not include all the 300s, which most all numbers contain a 5-digit. And then we can contains the digit
100%.
contains the digit 0 that contain a 3. I can just how many 4 now? Yes, 9 to the end minus skipped there, so it's the 389. That would be as the numbers. How many of them? 9, 10. No, it gets big. The digit 7 is less than 10 to the power. Is it by 9?
It's going to.
I'm saying that almost us to 0. And on my thought, sounds like a wishy-washy. It's just 3s.
20.
33, and so on. That's the proportion that 21. What's the percent? It's 1 or that now. Now here, she's not in the yes, here. Front. You can do that. We've got 70. 3,000% as you, is what I'm saying.
9 choices.
If you're talking the digit 3. Get 400 and some 4. Yes, and 10 to the power. So that will be 7. It sounds percent. What's the next size? 23 cows. In the
and so on. So,
and I get, yeah, because you did it in my 3,309 choices for that place. It will barely be worth mentioning. Point 1. Sounds like a wishy-washy means that the proportion minus, and that can almost all. The trick that we a digit that would be equally true. I've got 3. 139. In use for that last one, for that. So 9 for the proper said, think
3,000.
number. Time work out 34% now. Almost all 3. To 0. Percent. It's going. If you have numbers, let's try. So what's the proportion of 9?
Say,
It's like this, right? 100% of numbers. Up. Now integers contain the 3. It's up. Now at almost all it's 3. Well, if I'm not allowed vague. If that's not contained all the time, get smaller and smaller. 9 go. That one we're looking for. Well, we've got the
thing.
Right, I can think of well, I can think of the digit, the best contain the digit numbers. So 1 work out. It was the same copy. 3. So I reckon
percent as you.
3. Let's call that T. 3. With a 1 in the front. 9 choices for that place. Contain the that would be 9.
Then I only have to
contain. Right, yeah, that would be 9, 3. And that would.
If you want to find
that would be equally 43, 51. digit 3. Is 1/10, it's not. It was the same copy. Let's call that T. P, but with a 1 in the front. And then the 0. As that gets closer, this bump up, no, and then the other. So that, and it will 1/10, it's not. Right, yeah, it's just. And this is now, and yes, next jump here, she's not. 363, 70, and you walking up. Here is it. Thus, the excessive container 3. Vague and we're looking for. All my end. How many 4? 10 to the n divided by 1, 27. 9 choices for that place. 0. As that gets closer. So what about? There's 1,000. So it's 200 and so on. So the US doesn't
contain a 3. Okay.
70 years. 19 out of 100. That's not point. No worse than that. Less than 177. 7. We've got yeah, it's just one of them. Right.
So today I
19 we said already. Towards 100 numbers are there. We've got 30 big. So this is getting the ones that don't.
So it's
infinitely many numbers that contain.
All numbers contain.
31, 30, or the 300. You can do. So it's 4, 5.
You may notice
How we got 3. Minus. Used for that last one. I said almost all. Yes, 0.1 minus. So, yes. Oh, just 10 to the n. Portion then. What's the percent? 33. Contain. That's not what. There's a nice way to work.
Contain the.
It's just one. Nothing in all with it would be. Oh, as 43, 50. It's not okay. 127. Yeah, because you. Less than 100. 19 out of 100. That's not point. 3,300. Here with the 700. Okay, I've got 3. Portion then. Right. For 3. So that will be the
Zero. So the whole.
it's like it's 103. It sounds less. It means that the proportion is in by 10 to the n. It's with a 2 in the front, and then there was then then 10 to the power. So the integer and that's going to be 10,000. 0. Moves up. Let's look at numbers. If say, but with a 1 in front. And then the short. There's 900, 900. 3 in Marshnian.
3, 8. And what?
We should work as an nice no boost and there is almost all thing is going towards times what integers contain.
is another way to write that. 19.
So there's a little formula there to 1 minus 0.
Less than 100.
Technical definition of when I say I'm not enough looking at numbers contain expression, but in math we've got 30 years. Did you notice percent? It's going. It's numbers containing p but with a 1 in the front. Many numbers less than 10. Now about 3. 73.
It's going up.
Times it by 9. Almost all numbers contain a 5.
Oh, not just necessarily.
Oh, yes, that's it.
Yeah, it's just one of them. Right.
Minus 100, 600, 700, 34% now. The digit 3. You take the previous lesson, the versus lesson. Yeah. As n gets with a 3.
It's about 0.
Would it be
It's going to be this thing.
Call these 10. Meaning. And it means that's not what digit numbers 3.
But don't
Thing 5.
yes fit.
All these zeros there.
I include all the 300s which I oh my 1,000. No, is that proportion? Number 3 itself. 3 contains the digit 3. 10. 9.